Most people visit ruins to see what's left behind. But in Petra, the stones don't just sit still, they tell stories. Stories of kings, traders, gods, and of a desert that bloomed with life. Petra is tucked away in the mountains of southern Jordan, surrounded by red sandstone cliffs that glow like fire at sunset. More than 2,000 years ago, the Nabataeans built this city in the heart of the desert. They were expert traders who controlled the routes that connected Arabia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. Thanks to them, Petra became rich, so rich that it was called the Lost City of Gold. But what's most amazing is how they built it. They carved giant buildings right into the cliffs. The famous treasury, or Al-Khazneh, stands over 120 feet tall, almost as high as a 12-story building. And it was all carved by hand with simple tools. Even in the middle of the desert, they figured out how to collect every drop of rain. They made canals and underground cisterns to keep water flowing year-round. Petra wasn't just a place to live. It was a miracle of survival, art, and engineering. No wonder it's one of the new 7 wonders of the world.